Hey, my karma babies. Today is Friday morning, and last night we had very, very high winds between 65 and 80 miles an hour, and came out this morning to go to get coffee from the she shed, and this is what I found right in front of the she shed again, although the damage this time is not nearly the damage that we had when we had the ice storm. I don't know if you remember when we had the ice storm. But I just want to let you know, and for you to see this and to understand how God works. Desiree came to me, Mom, you're not going to believe this. Come here, you got to see this. So I go, and we're looking out of her window, and look, it's what's sitting out right by her window, our umbrella that is usually on the porch, guys. This is usually on the porch. I don't know how this came through here. From here, okay, this is my porch. And here's the metal block that holds that umbrella. Oh, this is the metal block that holds the umbrella. And all the way around here, around my house, onto the side of the house, sits the umbrella. We had 80 miles an hour wind. How did it get here?
Stuck in the ground.
It's stuck in there. This is God's work. It may have come flying over the roof and landed here. Oh God, it could have gone through her window right there.
That's what you meant.
Okay, so we come out along with the umbrella being on the side of the house. The truck is intact. Nothing, no branches, nothing fell off these trees up here. But I have these LED lights right here by the truck. That one's fine, intact, the LED light. This one, look it, the angel was blown off of here. And the angel is right there, right by the truck. We were blessed last night. Such a blessing. Such a blessing. There it is. You can see it for yourself. Wow.